Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I love you all, and you love us so. Okay, this video is crochet many things like we can different kinds bags, handbag designs for crochet, and main conceptual this video and main point of view this video and show to you people video handbag designs crochet and make yourself these designs absolute idea behind me in such video in such pictures reference how beautiful made that handbags, how you to carry and which bags for yourself. Crotches is something that I am obsessed with, so and more of emotions. I have emotions conditions with the crochet, like I have sweaters, t-shirts, crop top. It's up to me how I styles them. This is video basically idea to present and how you can make for yourself and dress up easily crochet things. So these are tops and handbags, and anything. So these different sports kind of patterns, seriously, it has dog in others creatures in a totally different. These links win is my most favorites that already have different colors like black, blue, whites and green, different 20 colors in show to you and different amazing designs. It has different amazing tops. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this tuning of multiple tunings and never out of fashions, never. You can own solid tops and okay, this one is so pretty and flat to me and is this is an solid store favorites handbag, my favorite blue white blue combinations that options with pink on so pretty model is so very pretty this shop. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video and channel link share in descriptions, like more much amazing designs. So thanks for watching our videos. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hello, Assalamu alaikum.